Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you guys are well and enjoying your life. Today I am going to describe the drama a Pakistani well-known drama Ranjha Ranjha Kardi. In this drama, three main characters, which is called Noori as Noor Bano, which is played by Ikra Aziz, best talented Pakistani artist, and the other character is Bhola, which is played by Imran Ashraf, and the third main character is Sahir, which is played by Sayyid Gibran. The story of this drama revolves around a beautiful girl, Noori. This role is played by Ikra Aziz Noori. Noori belongs to Noori belongs to a poor family. Her parents live by picking garbage from streets. Therefore, she is uncomfortable with the environment around her. She rejects her parents' lifestyle and wishes for a better and respectable life. To fulfill this wish of hers, she moves to a city and starts a respectable living by working in a factory. In this journey, she comes to know of Sahir and Bola. Sahir is a greedy young man who works in a shop and wishes for a better future, whereas mentally weak and childlike Bola owns a mansion and agricultural land in a village, which is taken care of by Nusrat Chacha. Bola is loved deeply by his mother Fahmida. Sahir and Bola both get attached to Nurbano's life, one which is by total deceit and the other is an ordeal. Sahir is not serious about Noori, but Noori is always daydreaming about her marriage with Sahir. Noori somehow convinces him to marry her, to which he agrees. One day, when Noori comes to visit Sahir, she sees that there is some investigation going on and becomes worried when Sahir is found guilty for stealing money from the shop he works in. The police demands ransom for Sahir's release and Noori is thinking of the ways she could get the money. When Noori asks her when Noori asks her Baji for money, she refuses and her husband also sexually harasses Noori by offering her money to be with him. Noori confronts the factory owner and says she does not want his money and quits working at the factory. Noori steals her Baji's jewelry to pay for Sahir's release. Afterwards, Sahir gets released, whereas Noor is jailed for stealing the jewelry. Noor's father makes a deal with Shokha, an aged smuggler, to free his daughter and marry her. On the other hand, Noori threatens her former boss to either take back the case or she will expose him. Factory owner does it and Noori is free. However, she still has to get rid of Shokha. So she runs away and goes to Sahir, who is arranging to leave the city. Sahir refuses to marry her, saying that she had spent a night in the lockup and who knows if any lustful policeman has disgraced her Noori. Noori, heartbroken, returns to her mentor Amma Jannate's house. She asks Amma Jannate to help her because she does not want to marry Shokha and is considering suicide. Amma Jannate tells her the only way out is to wedding, which will also fulfill her desire of living a respectable life. The person Amma Jannate is talking about is actually Bhola, but Noori is not aware of it until after her marriage. Has all this happened to her for good and better future? Initially, Noori can't stand him even feeling for Bhola. She tries to get away from him, but later she develops love, care, and empathy for him. Due to his innocence and pure love for her, the intense story develops from there. And so does Noori and Bhola's unconventional romantic relationship. It ends when she has a baby boy who Bhola refuses to meet as he is afraid of him being like Bhola. But when Noori convinces him to see his baby, he kisses him on the forehead and starts to cry. I hope you guys enjoyed this story very much. If you enjoyed this story, please click on the subscribe button and give this video a big thumb up. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.